Welcome to room number 33226 at Resortsworld at Conrad. So this is the premium street view king room. Okay, yeah, just start over because that's a bad starting point. Anyways, walk-in closet, check. Bathroom, well, hello. Bathroom, with a nice looking bath. No, this is actually a shower. So these stuff here with the shampoo and the body wash and whatever, it just smells really good. Nice touches all over the place, and it looks all fresh and new. This is the toilet. No phone. So yeah, whatever. Luggage, a shoe, another shoe. Actually, two fridges. One you don't touch, but the second one is empty for your own usage. These also you don't touch, not even the sexy kit. Yeah, looks nice. For the ice, it all looks really good. New, fresh, decent sized bed, no cover, but you throw on the floor immediately. This is just really good looking. Did I mention that's the Conrad? I haven't, I think. So it's not the Hilton, not the Crockforks or whatever it's called. That's the Conrad. Then QR code, all over the place QR codes. They are not really giving you any printed material anymore. It's all QR codes. So view-wise, we have a clear view of basically everything here. Venetian there, Uncle Win. I'm pretty sure it will look really decent later in the night. That will be the strip. They can. It seems we can look all over to Cosmopolitan there behind Venetian. Park MGM also visible. So that's pretty decent, I must say. Just imagine how it will look like nighttime. Now it seems we have a little ray of sunshine over there. No, it's still not so hot. Anyhow, that's a premium, as they call, king room at Conrad Resortsworld, Las Vegas. So, cheers everybody!